How to make these dotted animation arrows. Select Pen tool and draw your arrow style. Set the fill to none. Set line width. Go to Content, Shape, Stroke. Add dashes. Set the dash value 27, increase start length. Now select Shape 1, add trim paths. Animate end value from 0 to 100. Set the dash's offset from 0 to 235. Now select Star tool and create an arrowhead. Use arrow down key to create sides. Set fill to solid. Copy the path of first shape and paste it on second layer position. Right-click and find Transform Property. Select Auto Orientation, orient along path. Use Rotation tool to align arrowhead and set the arrowhead scale as you want. For faces, replace arrowhead with your images and repeat same step. Save this reel and follow me for more videos.